boarded up some of those windows. Yep. Oh, excuse me. Okay, we don't have it connected. They've got something down there. I don't know what that, like, I don't think these switches are gonna move.
Pretty sure they won't.
Yeah, this isn't going anywhere. This is 16 of them.
Now I'm in your way, aren't I?
Not really. Yeah, you know what? This whole thing isn't connected to anything. I mean, what would you even connect it to? But yeah, there's somewhere down there. I wish you could go down there. Cause that'd be interesting to see.
Well, isn't it open down there?
No, I don't think it is. Maybe it is. We could go down there and see. Yeah, they broke the window. Someone smashed this.
Oh.
And look at that.
Oh, that was stupid.
Who wrecks this stuff? Like, there's more there. I see there's an attic.
I don't know.
Let's go in the attic.
I think that just takes us right out to the... I'd have to look at the top. Oh, maybe that is attic.
No, because the tower has that triangular roof.
Right.
What does this have to... The Toronto Star Sunday World. Oh, there's World War I stuff here.
Ah.
I don't know what any of this really is. Maybe they'll talk about the tower or something. I don't know. Oh, there's a... there's a goose right there.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you got that right from there. And this phone isn't connected.
Like names and...
Yeah, there's names here, and there's... One here's from 59.
Wow. I'll have to come take a look when you're done.
Yeah. When I'm done filming and done ruining the museum for everybody else.
Oh.
What is this? I don't know what that is. Yeah, so there's 16 switches up in here. This would have been a nice little tower to actually like be in.
Yeah.
Like for doing the job, you gotta stove. Well, this isn't a stove. Let's see.
Yeah,
It's coal pot. Well, I think it's coal or it's wood burning.
Yeah.
There's stuff down there. It looks like the under the switches here is just storage.
Huh.
Hope I don't fall through here or something. Yeah, there must be just storage down there. So that bottom area appeared to be employees only, and I think there's spare windows in there. Yeah, see, this tower does have an attic. Yeah, it does. In here,
Stuff.
there's all this stuff in there. My hair's all messed up.
Who cares? So is mine.
There's industrial letters and industrial letters I can't see. Okay, so they don't. So that's pretty. Yeah, that wasn't there a while ago. So this is what this bench is doing here. There's a bunch of speeders here. Little maintenance car. I wonder if they use any of these. I don't know. These haven't been hauling out. Or have they? I don't know. Some they look kind of in not okay shape here. Some there. Oh, there's no window here. What am I doing?